Hello everybody, and warm welcome to my channel, Tarot by Izabela. I am very happy to see you here, and I hope you're all doing great, even if we live in very crazy and spooky times for the moment. Today's video will be a quick draw video on a question that many viewers from the Netherlands have sent me. And the question is if there will be a big flooding in the Netherlands. And as many of you know, Netherlands is a small country in Europe, and a lot of its land area is below sea level, and there are protection built for the ocean, so it will not flood the land. But lately, the government in the Netherlands have been digging big holes in sand dunes around the coastline, and many people are very scared of that these big holes is a way to deliberately make it easier for flooding of the Netherlands, and to make chaos and a lot of destruction. So today's quick draw will be on the question if there will be any big flooding in the Netherlands. And to do this video, I'm going to use my tarot cards, oracle cards, and some dice. But before we begin, I need to shuffle my cards a little bit on the question if there will be any big flooding in the Netherlands. The last one. And finally some dice. This was blank. I need another one. Okay. The cards, they look like this. Let's see what we got here. In the tarot cards we have 10 of Cups, 4 of Swords, Knight of Wands, 8 of Coins, and King of Coins. On the Oracle cards we have Rejuvenating Rain, Clear the Past, Heal the Present, a Key, baby, the death card, and whips. On the dice we have a lion, switch, brother, and a snowman. A lot of things will be happening in the Netherlands during this winter time. There will be, it looks like there will be some kind of switch in the government. Those who have been working for death and destruction in the Netherlands will be punished. We have the whip that will chase them. And many politicians in high position and other strange people in high position will be punished for crimes that are extremely serious. A big flooding? No, I don't see a big devastating flooding. There could be in some areas more water than usually, but devastating flooding with a lot of people that will die and properties that will be destroyed on big areas in the Netherlands, I don't see that. It looks like it will be quite calm regarding big floodings. Oh, now we have little Algis on visit. Some new, you can say, politics, some people like lions that will fight for their survival and fight for the people will emerge in the Netherlands. And there will be a big switch in leadership. People that will open up the doors for prosperity and peace and harmony. That is coming for the Netherlands. Those big holes, I see like they will be closed up. Something will happen that they will not cause any big floodings. Yeah, and things will calm down in the Netherlands. The most important things are the whips. Whips that will be on the backs on all those horrible people that have committed a lot of crimes. Yeah. There will be a period of time, because here, well, August make this dice turn around, and then there is a soldier, a knight in armor. So it could be that during a short period of time, a lot of military will be involved in the politics of the Netherlands. Could be some kind of military tribunal, because this is also below those who are going to be whipped. Yeah. Some kind of rebirth for the Netherlands is waiting, but no big devastating floodings. Some floodings, yes, because there is water, but in different areas, a smaller area, but not large areas. Yeah, you can say it that. Okay. Now I'm gonna take some last cards for this flooding question. If there are any last words to be said about the Netherlands and big floodings. Last one. Okay. Some last words for the Netherlands. fell out, we take that one. And this one. We have the card of Justice. 8 of Coins again. And Queen of Cups. Yeah. Justice is coming for the Netherlands. All those that wished people harm will face justice, and they will work very hard to make justice work. And justice is blind. It doesn't look how much money you have on your account or what position you have. Have you done wrong, you will be sentenced according to whatever crime you have committed. In the future, it looks like there will be, could be a female politician in a leading position in the Netherlands. Those that have been lately are quite criminal ones, warmongering ones, and nobody with a normal mind wants war. Everyone, the people really want peace and live their lives as good as they can, but no wars. Well, that was my last words for the floodings of Netherlands. And if you have liked what you have seen and heard, please don't forget to press like button, share button, and subscription button. And to all of you wonderful viewers out there, I want to thank you so much for watching, and hopefully we're gonna see each other soon again. Bye bye.